Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So today we're going to be talking about ROI, or return on investment. Not ROI, he lives down the road. So what is a return on investment? Well, every single marketing campaign in the whole world costs either time or money, and in many cases both. So what you want to do is you want to basically establish how you're getting a good return on investment for the time and money you're putting in. What gives you the best return on investment? Now we can do this through processes like split testing, where, for example, you'll put out two adverts. They'll have the same targeting criteria, but you'll use different wording, different images. Let's say one of these adverts does really, really well and the other one does poorly. You'll want to go with the advert that does really, really well and keep that as your main ad. That's the split test out of the way. So you've established through return on investment that this is the best value ad that you've got out there. And then the next month you can maybe make another advert which is going to go up and potentially compete with it in the same way. You can also establish whether or not you're getting, through tracking information, things like that, you can establish whether or not you're actually making sales with these adverts, or whether or not you're bringing customers in. And depending on how good your marketing tracking is, you can establish whether or not something is worth the time and energy of getting something in. Now, my personal opinion, every single advert that you ever put out for your company is going to be good, because it's going to benefit you in some way. There will always be some people who see these adverts and they will say, hey, maybe we'll check these people out, maybe we'll check this company out. I mean, yeah, there are really bad adverts which alienate people completely. You don't want to go with something completely alienating, but it's better to be putting adverts out there that you're establishing a good adverts, like they've got good reach, interactions, things like that. When you've got stuff like that, you're getting a valid return on investment for your time. Let's say you just want to make a post on your Facebook page, then you want to share that into local groups. Now, this is something where you're doing something which is free. You're using a free service of Facebook just to get that advert out to people. So the only thing that you're spending is time. And for smaller companies, I would recommend doing that, because a lot of the time, until you've really studied Facebook marketing, it is a much better way to do things, because you're not going to be burning money in areas that you don't understand. After a little while, when you start to get used to the way that Facebook works, it can be good to invest money into it. However, personally, at this point in time, businesses have been tanked so much by Facebook in terms of their reach for, the return on investment for Facebook, in my opinion, is not worth it, considering what you can get out of the platform for free. But that is my own personal opinion. Anyway, I'm starting to ramble. That's ROI. Hopefully it helps. Take care. Bye.